Hi, my name is David Gewirtz, and today I'm going to show you just a quick video on how to install and license add-ons from my private site. So right now we're running my private site. There are no licenses active, and if we go to plugins, you can see that the only plugin right now is the main My Private Site plugin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the plugin by basically uploading the plugin. So we'll hit Add Plugin, we'll go to Upload Plugin, and then I'm going to choose a file. And once the file's been chosen, I'll hit Install Now. That will bring the plugin in, and you can hit Activate Plugin right away, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like in the installer unactivated. So I'm going to go to the plugin installer, actually go to the installed plugins, and as you can see, we have my private site, and then we have the public pages add-on, and it's one of a number of add-ons. All the add-ons install the same way, so if you see me doing public pages and you have a different add-on, it works exactly the same way. And all you do is hit activate. Now the thing is if you come back to my private site, we still have homepage, which is going to be replaced when the plugin activates, and that's because the licenses tab does not yet have an active license. So until the license is active, the features of the plugin won't manifest, even though the plugin is turned on. So the plugin is on, but it hasn't been licensed. So let's come back to licenses, and I will paste in a license, activate my license, and as you can see, immediately we're switched over to public content. This is tags and categories, which is not part of that. But we have our specialized public pages and our public pages prefixes. And if you went ahead and you did enable tags and categories, you would have that also enabled once you went in and validated the license. So that is all there is to installing a plugin for my private site. The key is to make sure you upload the plugin and then you come over and you activate the license. That's it. For Zatz Labs and my private site, I'm David Gewirtz. Have yourself a great day.